By the end of this video, you will know how to change your TurboTax password. Start by going to the TurboTax sign-in page, or the Intuit sign-in page if that is where your account opens. Once you are there, sign in with your email address or user ID and your current password. Make sure you are signing in to the correct account before you continue, especially if you have more than one Intuit account or if your browser fills in old account details automatically. After you are signed in, look for your Intuit account area or account settings. The name can vary slightly depending on the page you land on, but you are looking for the section that manages your account information. Open that area, then navigate to Sign In and Security. This is where TurboTax and Intuit place the settings related to your login details, including your password. Once you are in Sign In and Security, find the Password section. You may see a button labeled Edit, or you may see Change Password. Select that option to begin updating your password. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the form to appear before entering anything. At this point, TurboTax or Intuit may ask you to verify your identity. If prompted, check for a verification code sent to your email address or phone number linked to the account. Enter the code exactly as it appears so the system can confirm that it is really you making the change. If you receive more than one code, use the most recent one. After verification, enter your current password if the form asks for it. Then type your new password into the new password field and enter it again in the confirmation field. Make sure the new password meets Intuit's password requirements before you move forward. If there is a message on screen about password rules, read it carefully and adjust your entry if needed. It helps to make sure both entries match exactly, since even a small difference will prevent the update from going through. When everything is filled in correctly, select Save, Update Password, or Continue, depending on what button appears on your screen. This applies the change to your account. If the site takes a moment to process the update, wait until you see confirmation that the password has been saved. On some screens, you may remain in account settings after the change, while on others, you may be asked to sign in again with the new password. Your TurboTax password is now updated through your Intuit account settings.